Jonique, making it look unique, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I wanted to do a self-reflection of the whole year. We all know the end of the year is approaching and we're heading into 2022. I am super excited. I'm just excited for another year of life. To be honest, this year has been hectic. I'm going to be talking about all the goods, the bads, the uglies. And at the beginning of the year, I did do a video talking about my vision board. So if you don't know what a vision board is, it's pretty much you writing down things or taking pictures and basically foreshadowing what you want to see throughout that year. So if you never heard about the pen is powerful, the mouth is powerful, speaking things into existence, that's what this video is pretty much about. So stay tuned for it. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, and let's just get right to the video. This was the vision board that I created at the beginning of the year. I'm gonna show you. Okay. Now, the first thing that I put on it is a bad bit, and I was a bad this year. I did everything possible to make sure that I was focusing on myself, doing a lot of self-love, self-pampering, and I'm gonna get into that throughout the rest of the video, but definitely did that this year. Traveled the world. Unfortunately, I didn't get to travel to much places like I had wanted to, but I did go to North Carolina, South Carolina. I went to Orlando this year, so I did go a couple places for the books. Now, this one was just living life, enjoying life, and I did a lot of that this year, I would say. Went to the beach a lot of self-reflection. My princess, I always put myself first, and that's what my main objective was beginning of this year. I wanted to focus on myself and find myself and love myself and put myself first. So one thing that I did this year that I've never did before was every month I would get myself flowers. So as you can see, I have this beautiful bouquet, and once a month I just go to Walmart, go to Publix, and pick up flowers just to show that I love myself and me doing something nice, a kind gesture for me. Because at the end of the day, you don't have to depend on anybody else to do it for you other than you, because you need to love you first before you can love anybody else. That was a kind gesture that I did this year. Usually I do a lot of shopping because that's my way of treating myself. But this little token of just something so simple made a difference this year and put a smile on my face. Now, I did a lot of shopping, not gonna lie. I spent a lot of money this year on Fashion Nova, Shein, started shopping at Pretty Little Thing. Now I'm hooked, and I can't wait to see next year what other stores or what other brands that I'm going to be shopping at or even working with, speaking it into existence. Plane, I did go on a couple plane rides this year. I think it's time to be happy again. I was trying to find my happiness, did find my happiness, and yeah, I did accomplish that. Friendships, I did meet some friends along the way, lost some friends along the way, but that's what the year entails. Sometimes you can't necessarily force relationships, and I think relationships should just come naturally. I met a lot of new people on Instagram, made some new friendships, some new relationships, met some people that are in my niche, so I was very excited about that this year. I did do a lot of God seeking, praying a lot. I've been doing that, as well as affirmations every morning, and that's how I've been getting closer to God and just being very grateful and thankful for seeing another year. Staying healthy, just my whole financial situation is glory to Him and Him only. Hustle, your girl has been hustling all year. I've been working a lot, picking up a lot of shifts just to make a lot of money, okay? I touched a lot of money, not gonna lie. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, God. A lot of the things that I wanted for Christmas, I was able to purchase because of me hustling and working hard and putting my mind to something. Then New York, I didn't get to go to New York this year, but I will be going. I don't know when, but hopefully next year, God's spare, I would love to go to New York. New York is my dream. I want to see it. I want to go shopping. I want to enjoy it, to smell the air, see the difference between the two states, see the rats, eat some pizza. Like, New York is the dream location I want to go to so bad. I've been to the beach a lot. I haven't necessarily read as much. I did read a couple books this year. Hollywood, I didn't get to go to California, unfortunately, just because with all the COVID regulations and guidelines, that has been a major reason why I haven't been able to go to a lot of these places. Now, self-love, self-reflection, this is all of this. I've cried a lot. I've had fun a lot. I've enjoyed myself, pampered myself. Got my nails done, hair done. Just self-grooming is very important because, like I mentioned before, you got to love yourself first before you can love anybody else. You got to make sure your hair is good. When your hair is good, or you dress good, you feel good, you pamper yourself, you get your nails, your toes, your eyebrows, and things like that for your personal upkeeping, and that's you loving yourself as well and putting yourself first. Now, YouTube down here, I wanted to mention this year has been an amazing year for YouTube. Last year was a little rough. It was my first year starting off, so my videos weren't taking off like how they were taking off. This year, I've had a couple of videos hit over 1,000 views. My biggest video right now has 16,000 to date. It is my Shein haul with 16,000 views. I'm super happy about that. Right now, the channel is at 513 subscribers, so we're on the road to 1,000, and I thank you guys so much for watching me, supporting me, loving me, watching my videos all the way to the end. My goal is to get monetized. I want to get monetized so bad, and I will get monetized. That will be my goal at the end of next year. I want to work with brands and things like that, so I'm speaking that into existence. I'm going to write that down, and I will put that on my mood board, vision board next year. Okay, so YouTube was a good year for 2021. Now on this side, as you can see, this is all my fashion related stuff, and this year I did do a lot of fashion content, fashion creation, as well as on my Instagram. I've been posting a whole bunch of cute pictures. I will insert them here. I did a lot of risk taking, made some looks that I wanted to just cater to everybody. I wanted to cater to my girly girls, my edgy girls, my casual girls, and things like that. So that's what I wanted to achieve this year, and I did just that. This year has been the best year for me thus far. I've had shout outs from Bia. Yes, Bia, the celebrity. Yes, she reposted me on her story, and I will put it here. I also got a like on my picture from Fashion Nova, and they commented on my post as well. So this year was just an amazing year for me, a lot of growth. I've been introduced to a lot of fashion influencers as well, connecting with them, liking their pictures, them commenting on mine, and things like that. And to end it all is my apartment. This year I was able to get my own apartment, and I was super excited about that. I even dated it. I got it on the 1st of March. So yes, we all know last year that was a big thing for me, and I was stressed out with moving and things like that, but we made it possible and it happened. So I just wanted to show you guys that dreams do come true, and speaking it into existence is real. And you doing something like this, you might think it's comical or it might be gimmicky, but no, this is reality. This is you speaking what you want to see into existence, and that's exactly what I did in this year. And majority of everything on this board came true, and I can't wait to see what next year has in store for me. Guys, I just wanted to mention I was very grateful for this year. It's been a lot of ups, downs, ins and outs like any other year, but this year has been very, I would say, crucial, just because like with COVID 2.0, 2.3, 5, 6, 7, 8, every time you turn around, it's a new variant. And by the grace of God, we made it to the end. We made it to see another year. And you guys have to be grateful for that. A lot of people can't necessarily say that. A lot of people lost their lives this year due to COVID. And I just wanted to mention to you guys that I did catch COVID I was one of the lucky ones. I was able to make it through it, survive. My symptoms was very mild, so I can't really complain about that. But I am very grateful to see another year, because there's a lot of people, personal, close family members, that didn't make it this year, and it's very tragic. It's very sad, and my heart and my feelings go out to all the family members, kids, uncles, grandparents that didn't make it this year, mothers, fathers, and I hope you guys are getting through this tough time, this tough year. Hug your loved ones, love them unconditionally, because you never know when it's our time. So guys, that concludes the video. I hope you enjoyed this self-reflection video of my entire year of 2021. I thank God so much. Thank him for health and strength. This has been a tough year, a fun year. I've learned a lot. I've accomplished a lot. I am doing a lot for myself, and I'm just proud about that. Next year, I want to continue to be as driven as I am, continue to hustle, work hard, bust my butt. I have goals that I want to accomplish. I have money that I want to touch. I want opportunities that I want to speak into existence, and it comes into reality. And in order for that to happen, you got to speak it into existence. You got to write it down, and you got to look at it each and every day. And that's what this vision board was about, and I can't wait to make one again for next year. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and let me know how you enjoyed this video. And if you guys like it, definitely make one similar to this, and tell me how your 2021 year went for you. Bye guys.